The next part of our Android app is to try to list the events and the date in your Android app. For that, we need to create a new activity, and before creating that new activity, we have to create a new layout. To create a layout, you can just right click and then create a new Android XML file there. And when you create that, something like an XML file, a layout will come, which looks like this. Inside you will have a linear layout. But you have to change the linear layout to a text view. Once you change this, that means you just have to change the tag of this linear layout, and once you change this, there are two other things you can tweak with this. These are optional, but once you do this, there will be a better look to it. So one option is the Android padding, which will give a space between the list, and then there is the Android text size, which is something like your font. The next thing is to create an activity. Here I have created a new activity class, and this extends a special kind of activity called list activity. The list activity has something called as a list adapter. And the list adapter is responsible for displaying the data, which is the event list, in a list kind of format. So here it takes this is a self-referential object, and then this r.layout.display is specifying which layout file I am using, and getData is a method written here which returns a list of strings. This is just a demo. Function, and we'll work with better function which will fetch data from the database itself.